In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a RDP on AWS. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to aws.amazon.com and then log into your account. Now from here you'll need to go up to the search bar and go up and click in EC2 like so. Once from here you'll need to go inside of the EC2 dashboard. From here you'll need to go over to where it says launch instance over here inside of the launch instance function. And once you do that, it should look something like this. We'll be able to add a name and tags for your RDP. So from here, you'll simply need to create a name for the specific RDP. So you can click, let's just call it my RDP server for this tutorial. Once from here, you'll need to scroll down to under application and then click quick start. And then from here, you'll need to click Windows over here. Once from here, you'll need to go down to the AMI and select the server that is newest to you. So for my example, it will be the Microsoft Windows Server 2025 base. And you can also change that by clicking on it and then choose your specific server if you want to do that. From here, you'll need to scroll down until you see the instant type, and you'll simply need to choose between the T3 Micro or any of these other ones that is suitable for you. As you can see, the T3 Micro is a free tier available, but you can also choose any of these other ones down here. Once from here, you'll also need to create a key pair, and you can create a new key pair by clicking right here and create a key pair and make sure that is saved as a PEM file like so. So just click it like so and create it. And once from here, you'll need to save this PEM file onto your computer because we'll need that later on in this video. Now from here, you'll need to scroll down to network settings and create a security group. Then from here, you'll need to make sure that you have allowed the RDP traffic from, and then you'll need to choose from either anywhere, custom or my IP. For this tutorial, I'm just going to choose everywhere like so. And from here, you'll need to scroll down until you see configuration storage. The configuration storage should just need to be default like so. And then from here, you'll simply need to click launch instance. Once from here, you can see the launch instance will activate. And once from here, it should look something like this where you can see successful initiated the launch of the specific RDP instance. Once from here, you'll need to open up your instance like so. And then from here, you'll need to go up to the connect section up here, right beside the update and the instance state. Just click on it like so. Then from here, you'll need to go down to the RDP client. And once from here, you'll need to click get password down here. Then from here, once it's done with these 4 minutes, you'll be asked to upload the PEM private key file that you saved previously. And you'll just need to upload that and then decrypt password and then copy and save the decrypted administrator password. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!